Hey, how are you doing? Welcome to Miss Tech Hack. What is this video all about? Let's have a preview. Today in this video, we will see how to persist form state in React application. Before we go ahead, make sure to subscribe to Miss Tech Hack, so you don't miss on any of our updates and latest videos. A bonus tip. Are you in a hurry to learn React? Well, I have a good news for all who want to be a React developer. Check out the Udemy course link in description. And you can access all React training videos in just one click. Do watch the video till end to get all the insights. So let's get started. For this purpose, let's create a new Reducer newsletter in Redux folder and set the initial value for email. In Store, add, create forms inside combine reducers, and pass newsletter with the new reducer created. Add reset newsletter form to map state to dispatch reset action. Add the same action to home. And add reset newsletter to the newsletter in home component as props. Now, call the reset newsletter from handle submit in newsletter component. Let's add model to form, and update it as form for local form to make it work. Now, if we refresh browser and check the newsletter form in home page, enter some email in form and navigate to other page, as you can see value is intact. That is persisting form state, and only on submit it will reset the form. So, we have seen how to persist form state in our React application. That's it for this video. I hope you find it useful. For any queries or concerns, write me down in the comment section. Thank you so much. Have a great day.